All right, this is the snow cone machine. We're gonna do a little how-to on how to operate it. First of all, you wanna plug in the cord here to an outlet. From there, we're gonna open up the ice hopper and you're gonna put ice in there. It could be cubed ice or just bagged ice from the grocery store, 7-10 pound bag, depending on how much snow cones you want to make. But while the machine's off, you're gonna put the ice in the hopper. Be mindful of the little ones, keeping your hands out of the hopper because it is sharp in there. We'll close that down here. Any of the water that drips out is gonna come into this tube here into a bucket if you have one, or it can go onto the ground. You are gonna wanna make it as you go because there's no refrigeration to this machine. So just kind of make little batches as you go as you're serving them. Okay. So here's the on button on. It will light up green, and then you'll hold this button in at the same time as pulling this thing down, which will push the ice through the machine into the base here. So here we go. It's all clear. Release the red button. The machine will come to a stop. You can continue now to put more ice in, or if this is all you want to make, you just turn the switch off. Take one of your cups. We got the scoop here. Go in here and pack it in, depending on how much you want. Then we'll have the syrups here. All our syrups that we provide are not made, they're not a concentrate, so they are just ready to pour right over at full strength. It does have a little slow drip to it. We'll drizzle that on depending on how much you want to do. And then enjoy.